Describe the photo. This is a picture of an Italian dish of pasta. In the center of the photo, I can see a small bowl of spaghetti. It's sitting on a wooden table. To the upper left of the bowl, there is a wooden block and a cheese grater. Cheese grater. There is also a piece of Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese. This type of dish is from the Italian region of Liguria. It has pesto sauce. Pesto sauce, which traditionally comes from the capital of Liguria, Genoa. Inside of this pesto sauce, we have crushed garlic, European pine nuts, coarse salt, basil leaves, basil is the US pronunciation, and hard cheese like Parmesan cheese or cheese made from sheep's milk. It's all mixed with olive oil. Olive oil. So this pasta has been mixed with pesto sauce. And we can also see a few decorative basil leaves in the image. 1 leaf, 2 leaves. Have you ever tried this dish? For more photo descriptions from the kitchen, check out one of these videos.